Are you preparing for the IELTS reading test and feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're going to share the top 5 tips to help you ace the IELTS reading section with confidence. Hello, and welcome to our channel, and in this video, we'll dive into some invaluable strategies that will boost your performance in the IELTS reading test. Whether you're aiming for a band score of 6 or higher, these tips will prove beneficial. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right into it. Tip number 1. Timing is key. You will have just 1 hour to complete 40 questions, so you must use your time wisely. I advise my students to finish each section in 20 minutes. This will give you 16 to 17 minutes to read and answer the questions, and 3 to 4 minutes to transfer and check your answers. You'll find more help with time management here. Tip number 2. Read the instructions carefully. Many strong candidates lose marks in IELTS reading because they don't read the instructions properly. Pay close attention to the instructions you're given to avoid losing easy marks. Tip number 3. Don't panic. Some of the questions will be easy, and some will be extremely difficult. I knew many IELTS teachers who had to check the answers to some questions because they are so challenging. The wrong thing to do is spend a lot of time on a hard question. If the answer does not present itself, move on to the next one. You can always come back to the difficult questions later. You must stay calm and keep your nerves under control. Accepting that you are probably not going to get all the questions correct might help you control your nerves and timing on test day. Tip number 4. It's really a vocabulary test. In many ways, IELTS reading is more of a vocabulary test than a reading test. The reason is that you need a wide range of vocabulary to understand the passages of text given to you. You must also be aware of synonyms and paraphrasing if you wish to identify the information required to answer the questions correctly. Tip number 5. Don't expect to understand every word. If you don't understand a word in the test, you should look at the words and sentences around it for clues about its meaning. Alternatively, you can move on and forget about it. Focus on the words that are related to the question, and don't worry about the words you don't understand. And there you have it, our top 5 tips for IELTS reading success. Remember, with dedication, perseverance, and the right strategies, you can achieve your desired band score. Best of luck on your IELTS journey, and thank you for watching.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.